Let us begin the session of the subject Biomaterials and Artificial Organs, and the topic will be cardiac wall prosthesis. So the session objectives are mainly to understand the need of cardiac wall prosthesis, list the different types of heart walls, explain and analyze the different types of heart walls. So we'll start with the introduction of the heart. We know that heart is the main organ in the human body that pumps the blood to all parts of the body. And the heart mainly contains the bicuspid and the tricuspid walls that allows the unidirectional flow. The main problems of the heart walls are the leakage from the walls, backflow to the chambers, and so on. And the main causes for the heart wall diseases can be either congenital, it can be due to infections, and so on. The main treatment can be either the replacement of the heart walls with the artificial walls, which is called as cardiac wall prosthesis. So coming to the main types of heart wall prosthesis, mainly there are two types of artificial heart walls. One is a mechanical heart wall and the other is the tissue wall, also called as biprosthetic walls. The main materials used for the mechanical heart walls are stainless steel alloys, molybdenum alloys, then pyrolytic carbon for the valve housing and leaflets, Teflon, polyester, and so on. Anticoagulant is mainly used in order to avoid thrombosis. Thrombosis is nothing but clotting of the blood, and this can be avoided using any kind of anticoagulant agents. The main materials used for the tissue walls are the tissues that are extracted from either the same species or from the different species. If the tissue is extracted from the same species, it is called as homograft, and if the tissue is extracted from the other species, it is called as heterografts or xenografts. So let us look into the visual images of the different types of walls. The first will be the aortic caged wall, and the main design is it uses the spherical occluder or a blocking device that can be seen here, held in a place by welded metal cage. And the major drawback of this type of wall is it is completely blocked central flow with the collisions that mainly causes the damage to the blood cells. The second type will be the single leaflet disc walls. The main design of this will be it uses a tilting occluder disc, which can be seen here, to better allow the flow of the blood. The major advantage is it allows mainly the central flow. At the same time, the limitation will be any kind of damage to the blood cells. The third type will be bi-leaflet disc walls, which mainly consists of two semicircular flaps, and the advantage is it provides the closest approximation. It mainly allows the central flow of blood, and the major drawback is it allows a small amount of backflow to the atria. And the next type comes to be the tissue walls. So mainly there are two types. One is the porcine wall and the bovine wall, and they are mainly stented walls. The stents are mainly made of the cobalt nickel alloy. The major advantages of the tissue walls are they are with good durability and good hemodynamics, and the major limitations are it allows calcification, that is nothing but the restriction of the blood flow due to the accumulation of calcium at a particular point in the heart walls. So coming to the summary of the mechanical walls and the tissue walls. So the tissue walls, no anticoagulant therapy is required, whereas the mechanical walls requires a kind of anticoagulant. The mechanical walls will have the high durability, whereas the tissue walls are less durable. And the tissue walls are mainly biocompatible, whereas the mechanical walls we require to select the type of material for the construction of the walls. Coming to the case study for the heart current wall prosthesis. So mainly the walls transplanted from one human to the other human is what we call it as homografts. The walls taken from the same patient in which the valve is implanted is what we call it as autografts. The walls that are obtained from processing animal tissue is what we call it as heterografts or xenografts. And wall with biocompatibility is called as tissue heart walls, and wall that has high durability in the young patients is what we call it as mechanical heart walls. Thank you.